how do I keep my child engaged in learning without making it feel like schoolwork? All right, well, use real world applications. So there are so many things that you guys can do at home that your child will be learning so much from that is still going to feel like they're not learning, but you know that they're learning so much. So look for activities that build skills naturally. So it could be things like cooking. This is going to involve math and it's going to follow directions, executive function skill. Journaling, writing a blog, writing a podcast, etc., is going to include writing or planning outings. It's going to include budgeting, time management. Again, volunteering and getting a job is something super helpful I can't stress the benefits of both. Incorporate technology and games. So if your child is little, you can use educational apps or games to make the learnings feel like it's a less form of studying. So like playing blackjack with them, 21, right? There are lots of board games or card games that you guys can play together. And now with ChatGPT, you could probably just type it in, like what are some board games that build executive function skill for children ages, I don't know, 9 to 12, and it will spit out a lot for you. And again, use their interests in their learning. Okay, so don't force them to do a math workbook if they're not interested in math. If your child loves math, great, but don't force it. So fun, keep it fun. If they like cooking, that's a way to be doing math while you're cooking. Ratios, fractions, proportions, there's that percentages. There's so much that goes into cooking, time management, executive function skills. I mean, the list could go on and on. So much for you guys to grow in. All right, so next week, this is our last May, but next week we will be into June, and happy summer again to everyone. Um, Next week, let me share with you the conversation we're going to be having is teacher report card comments. You don't want to miss it. We're going to be talking about teacher report cards. So please make sure that you check it out, and we will see you all here next week at noon. Just to plan, if you are listening to this on our live and not on our podcast, we will potentially be filming some of these in advance. So some may not be live. We will strive to make most of them live, but some may not be. All right. However, we will be here. Please share this group again. Share this group with your friends, families, teachers. Really set the word out. We're trying to continue to do these. These takes time to really plan, lots of energy, time, and resources dedicated so that we can bring you this content. And if you think it would be helpful for someone, please share it so we can continue to do the work that we're doing and supporting you all. All right. Thanks so much, everyone. Visit WeThriveLearning.com for ADHD and learning difference support for your child. Thank you.